Welcome! Today we are diving into DeepSeek, an open-source artificial intelligence model that is shaking up the industry. We will explore what DeepSeek R1 is, how it was developed, and why it is making waves in the world of computing and global artificial intelligence competition. By the end, you will understand how this breakthrough could change the future of AI hardware and innovation. DeepSeek is a cutting-edge artificial intelligence model developed by Highflyer Quant, a quantitative finance firm that has transformed itself into an artificial intelligence innovator. In December 2024, they launched DeepSeek V3, a model that already impressed the community. But on January 20th, 2025, they surprised the world with R1, a new variant specifically tuned for superior reasoning performance. R1's development involved a unique two-stage training process. First, it learned through dialogue, similar to V3, and then underwent a second phase focused on advanced reasoning. This approach gave R1 a distinct edge in complex problem-solving. So, how did DeepSeek manage to train R1 so affordably and efficiently? The answer lies in two key techniques. First, the mixture of experts, or MoE, breaks the model into specialist modules. Think of it as a team of experts, each specializing in a different area. When a task comes in, only the relevant experts are activated, making the process highly efficient. Second, Multi-Head Latent Attention, or MLA, is used to compress memory usage during inference. Imagine MLA as a form of smart memory management, allowing the model to handle large amounts of information without overwhelming its resources. These optimizations drastically reduce both compute and memory costs, all while maintaining top-tier performance. This means R1 can deliver powerful results without the massive infrastructure typically required for such advanced models. Highflyer Quant's hardware strategy was just as innovative as their training techniques. They shifted from traditional field-programmable gate arrays, or FPGAs, to clusters of NVIDIA graphics processing units, or GPUs. This move allowed them to navigate around export restrictions on high-performance chips like the H800 or H100. R1 was designed to work within GPU bandwidth limits, cleverly sidestepping new United States export controls that now target compute power rather than just hardware connections. DeepSeek's cluster overcame these restrictions, demonstrating how smart hardware exploitation can become a tactical advantage in the ongoing global artificial intelligence race. This strategy highlights the growing influence of semiconductor geopolitics, where access to the right chips can determine who leads in artificial intelligence innovation. One of the most significant moves by Highflyer Quant was making the R1 model fully open source under the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, or MIT, license. It is also available via an application programming interface, or API, making it accessible to startups and researchers worldwide. Developers are flocking to implement R1, especially as many competitors charge more for models that offer less throughput. This open approach is accelerating adoption, with a clear roadmap for startups to integrate R1 and scale their artificial intelligence solutions quickly and affordably. What does all this mean for the future? We are seeing increased geopolitical tension around compute export controls, as countries race to secure their artificial intelligence capabilities. The open source movement is fueling an artificial intelligence arms race, with innovation happening faster than ever. There is also a shift in chip strategy, with more reliance on NVIDIA GPUs and the development of onshore fabrication plants, such as those by Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, or TSMC, in the United States. To wrap up, DeepSeek's R1 achieved powerful reasoning through smart training and efficient compute. Its open-source nature and hardware strategy could reshape the artificial intelligence landscape. Expect future breakthroughs to hinge on hardware innovation and global technology policy. Want a deeper dive into MoE, MLA, or building projects with R1? Drop a comment, and if this helped clarify the future of artificial intelligence hardware, hit like and subscribe.